So the problem is when I try to use the 100% save file for GTA San Andreas, the save file doesn't load. To fix it, check my video description for this YouTube video link. Watch this video and install this mod. Once you install this mod, download this 100% save file. And once the download done, I click on the zip and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Go to documents, GTA San Andreas user files, drag and drop this file. Before that, back up your GTA save. Just copy and paste it in another location. Once you back up your game progress, open the folder and drag and drop these files. Replace the file in the destination. Now you can launch the game. Start game, load game, select the load, and that's how I fixed the save file not loading problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.